Today I'm making these Dollar Tree fall leaf candlesticks. These are 2 candlesticks from the Dollar Tree that I got. I spray painted them with this spray paint. And I think it's a couple of coats on them. It's just the clear glass ones from Dollar Tree, and that's some votive holders I got. And I'm making some candlesticks for the Thanksgiving table. The paint I use leaves kind of a little bit of a more rough textured type finish, so it's kind of textured-y feeling. I'm using E6000 so I can get a good strong bond on them, because if I use just hot glue and they were stored out in the heat here in the south, the hot glue would come loose in the summer and they'd fall apart. I touched it to the candlestick so I know exactly where to put the glue on the votive cup. And I'm just using a little bit of hot glue just to hold them in place until the E6000 sets up. Now I'm making sure it's got a good adhesion going on. I press them down, make sure everything's touching really good. Make sure none of the glue has squeezed out, and wipe that off if it has. And just check and make sure none came out. Now I'm putting some fall leaves on them to decorate them. I'm just using hot glue for that. That usually does hold even if it's hot weather. It'll hold the little leaves and stuff. And I am using my little silicone finger protector. Sometimes I do remember to use it. I'm gluing down where they're just kind of flapping, just because that's just the way I liked it. If you liked them loose and sticking up, you could, but I didn't like it. Now I'm trying different things, see what I want to put on it. And I went with the little sunflowers, like I use on so many things, because I just love the little sunflowers. I should have bought a case of them, I think. I got those at Hobby Lobby. And the leaves came from Dollar Tree. Now I'm just doing the other one. Decided it needed something else, so I'm going with some little miniature pine cones. I got those at Hobby Lobby. It just looked like it needed a little something extra on there. And there they are, both with that on it. Now I'm going to put some jute around where the candlesticks and the votive cups are glued together, just to kind of make that look a little more finished. I'm using some of the jute from Dollar Tree. And then this first round I want to make sure it's glued down real good. And then I start just wrapping, and every so often I put another dab of glue and keep wrapping until I get it the way I want it. Or until you get it the way you want it, if you make you one. Make sure that's glued down good. Now I'm making a bow. Just wrapping the jute around my fingers and tying it in the middle. That's all I'm doing. And I just knot it about 3 times to make sure it holds. Cut it off and glue it on. And there they both are. It's a really quick little project, don't take long to do. The longest part was waiting on the spray paint to dry. And I'm going to use some battery-powered candle votive things in them. They have a timer. And I had them on my table at first. I thought they was going to be, I made them for my table. And then I decided they weren't real safe there, what with 3 grandkids. So I moved them into this cabinet that my great-great-great-grandfather built. I put one on each side. And I figure they're much safer there. And they look nice. It puts a little light over there. And that's how they look in the decorations. There it is, lit up. And here it is at night, lit up. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.